Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm sharing with you how to boil baby potatoes in the Instant Pot. It's pretty simple, much like boiling regular potatoes, with a few small differences. So let's get started. Here I have 18 baby potatoes, weighing a total of 1¼ pounds, and I've used a mix of yellow and red creamer potatoes, which I got from Costco, that are about 1½ to 2 inches in size. You can go with whatever you prefer, but just bear in mind that the kind and size of potatoes might affect the cooking time just a bit, as I'll share ahead. Start with pouring 2 cups of water in the main pot of the Instant Pot, and then you can place a regular short trivet in it and place the baby potatoes directly on it, which is what we do for the regular sized Idaho potatoes. But it's easier to contain the baby potatoes in a steamer basket or something like that. But as you see, if I use my regular trivet, then the basket doesn't go very close to the base, as it gets stuck on these side handles. So I'm using this as a short stand of sorts, just to prop up the steamer basket so that it gets the basket pretty close to the base without touching the base or the water, which is important. You can go with any similar steel utensil that works. Or of course, if you have a raised steamer basket, then you don't need any trivet or stand under it. Now place all the baby potatoes in the steamer basket and then close the Instant Pot lid, ensuring to seal it. Pressure cook on high for 8 minutes, and I prefer to use the pressure cook function. You can also use the steam function. When done, let all the pressure release naturally from the pot and open the lid. And there you have it, perfectly boiled baby potatoes. You can adjust the pressure cook time by a minute up or down, based on if you want more well-boiled or firmer boiled potatoes, depending on what you'll be using them for. And you might even need to adjust the pressure cook time based on the size of the baby potatoes. Like I mentioned earlier, the baby potatoes I'm using are 1½ to 2 inches in size, and they take about 8 minutes. You might need to adjust the pressure cook time by a few minutes up or down, based on if your baby potatoes are bigger or smaller than that. And that's all there is to it. Hope this helped you. See you in my next one.